today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate make.com with Notion so you can streamline your workflow and automate tasks with ease. Let's start in make.com. First, create a new scenario. A scenario is simply an automated flow between apps, and this is where all your actions will be connected. Once the scenario is created, add a Notion module. For example, you might choose the Create a Database Item module if you want to automatically send data into a Notion database. Pick the module that best fits the task you want to automate. Next, you'll need to connect your Notion account to make.com. Inside the Notion module, select the option to create a connection. Choose Notion Internal from the list so you are directly connecting to your Notion workspace. Give your connection a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to build more automations in the future. Something simple and descriptive works best. Now it's time to paste in your Notion integration token. This token gives make.com secure access to your Notion data so it can perform the actions you set up. You can find this token inside your Notion integration settings. Copy it, paste it into the connection field, and make sure there are no extra spaces. Once you've done that, save the connection. Your make.com scenario is now linked to Notion and ready to automate tasks like adding data, updating items, or syncing information across tools. And that's it. You've successfully integrated make.com with Notion and unlocked a powerful automation workflow. Thanks for watching and happy automating.